Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Roblox Studio, open the specific MM2 map, and make sure lighting is visible in Explorer. Next, upload or copy the new sky texture's asset ID. That ID is what replaces the existing sky, so keep it handy. Once done, add a sky object under lighting. Right-click lighting, insert object right arrow sky. This immediate action avoids changing map geometry. Make sure the uploaded texture meets size and format limits, so the game loads it reliably. You now paste the asset ID into the sky object's texture fields: skybox front, back, left, right, up, down. Use the same ID for all faces for a simple wrap, or assign 6 complementary images for detailed sky. Once applied, check the map in play mode. Color balance often needs tweaking, so adjust lighting properties, ambient, outdoor ambient, environment diffuse scale, and exposure to make the new sky feel natural. This step refines contrast and prevents washed out or too dark skies in-game. You finish by testing. Run play solo, then test in Server Plus client or with friends to confirm everyone sees the new sky. If it doesn't appear, check the asset ID format, ensure the image is uploaded to your account and set to public access. Private assets won't load in other clients. Once validated, publish the place and restart game servers if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Studio and client cache or relog to force the updated sky to download and display correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.